Hey, welcome back. In today's video, we are trying to design our first floor. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to the first floor, or I can go from the 3D and a little bit zoom out and see uh, these symbols. I'll just click on the blue one and it will show us the first floor. Actually, it's easier to come here sometimes. So it depends on your think, okay, what you want. So what I'm going to do is that I want to hide uh, this ground floor tracing thing. So what I'll be doing is that I'm going to underlay, as we explained. I'll just say none. The range base level, I'll say none. And when I come here, without applying it, it will disappear. Okay. So what I'm going to do is that I'm planning to have walls from here and here until here. So I will I will put a railing here and I will have my curtain wall here. So let's start our thing. I'll go to the walls and I will change my wall. I'll make it 300 generic. Then I want to place it here. When I click on it, I see it. This is not what I want. Let's click on it and escape it. You see that this is not what I want, actually. Because I want, did you see any walls that half of it is on the air and in flying in the space? This is not logical, actually. Okay? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you how we can make the things. Let me, how we can actually move this and make it here, put it here, like this. But this is a little bit difficult. But I will delete this and I will show you the correct way. I will go to the walls. Actually, the 300, it remembered the 300 that I was choosing. I will go with the height, and I want the first floor walls to go till the roof level. So, and then this should be opened, the chain, and this is what we want. It says wall center line. So I will click on it. I don't want the walls on the center line of the wall to be added. So there's two things that I will be explaining in this tool, but later I will explain all of them. Okay. So the first one is finish face exterior. I want it to be on the exterior or finish face on the interior. Actually, I will go with the exterior. I'll click on it and I will start drawing. When I click on it, you can see that it's aligning to the exterior wall face. So, and it's aligning with the floor. Okay. If you can see this on the other side, just press tab on your just press space. I mean, just press space, the long thing on your keyboard. Okay. So I'm going to click till here, click it, and come to here, click on it, and come to here, click on it. So I'm trying to escape it. So it says project not saved recently. I'll not save it right now. Okay, it says something like this. I want to have a curtain wall here. So I'll go to curtain wall. I'll add curtain wall here. I'll not go from the inside. I'll go to here. For example, let's make it 2 meters. You see that the dimensions. I'll make it 220 because it can stand from here. I'll click on it and I'll escape and I will add. I'll not go again to add, escape it because I want to add another thing. So I'm going interior partition. As you can see, this is the image of the wall. I'll click on it and I want to have something like this. Let me see. For now, I will click on it and I will add something here. Okay. and I will go to the modify so it will escape it, and I want to see the underlay if it's true this is aligned with this. Okay, so I'm going to activate underlay ground floor so I can see this is here. So I want to align it with it. I'll just come here, put it here, and I will close the underlay, and I'll go to the wall command, and it still remembered the thing. So I'm going to add it here. No problem if it's in the center, because it will readjust it and delete the extra part for you. So something like this. Actually, what we saw here is not the same. How we can see the black lines around it? Okay, what we can do is that we didn't activated the detail view. Okay, what says detail level, it's curse. I'll make it medium and it will show up or pop up. If I make it fine, it will be very high. Okay, it shows it. Okay, you see, in the ground floor also we should make this one fine and it will pop up. I'll explain this in more detail, don't worry. Okay, so something like this appeared. Let me see in the 3D what happened to uh, our villa. Something like this appeared. Not bad for the first time. Actually, I like it. Yeah. What if we could remove this from here? Let me just see what will happen. Let me just see. It's good. Not bad. Not bad. Actually, it's good. Or actually, we can do it vice versa. Let's try it out. Let me delete this. Let me delete this and make it vice versa. Maybe. Maybe it's good. I'm just checking out. Just checking if it's working or not. So I'm going with this one till here. So, and I'm extruding this one. Let me just continue. Let me just add the generic 300, and I'll go to the finish phase and I'll click on this till here. Let me just click on this and it will adjust by itself, and I'll till I want it to be till here. Let me go to the face. Actually, it's good, but let let us make a setback for it. Make a setback for it. Let me go back with my arrows keys. I'm using my arrows keys to go up, so the up is for going up. So I'm trying to create something like this and have my things like this. Okay, actually it's quite good, nice, and it's very good. It's very good. So actually I'll go to readjust this to make it more smaller like this. I will readjust this with this one, and I'll be going to add 300 millimeters to here till here, for example. Yeah, it's not bad. I'll just readjust it with this. Not bad. I think it's not bad. Okay, so let me go to the 3D. Yeah, it's good. Why not? So the quote of today is: do one thing every day that scares you. Wow. You should do everything that scares you, actually. I think because it is the thing that you should be doing, that you must be doing right now. Okay? See you in the next video. Goodbye.